Tired of clutter taking over your space? What if I told you that you could transform that mess into something beautiful and organized, using just some fabric scraps you probably already have? Today, we're diving into the world of DIY fabric storage organizers. It's simpler than you think, super budget-friendly, and a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your home decor. First up, let's talk about the basics. You don't need to be a sewing expert for this. All you really need is some fabric you love, maybe from an old shirt, a spare pillowcase, or some leftover material from another project. You'll also want some sturdy interfacing to give your organizer shape, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and either a sewing machine or a needle and thread. If you're not into sewing at all, don't worry. A good quality fabric glue can be your best friend here. Let's start with a simple project, a fabric bin. These are perfect for shelves, desks, or inside drawers. Begin by cutting 2 identical rectangular pieces of your main fabric and 2 identical pieces of your lining fabric. You'll also need 2 pieces of interfacing in the same size. Iron the interfacing onto the wrong side of your main fabric pieces. This step is key to making sure your bin stands up straight. Now, place your 2 main fabric pieces right sides together and sew along the 2 long sides and 1 short side, leaving the top open. Do the same for your lining pieces, but this time, leave a small 3-inch gap in the bottom seam, D. This little trick is for turning it all right side out later. To create a boxy shape, we need to make corners. Pinch the bottom corners of both your main fabric and lining, so the side seam and bottom seam line up. It'll form a triangle. Measure about 2 inches from the tip and sew a straight line across. Trim the excess fabric. You'll be amazed at how this simple step creates the base of your bin. Next, it's time to assemble. Keep your main fabric pouch inside out, but turn your lining pouch right side out. Now, slip the lining pouch inside the main fabric pouch. The right sides of both fabrics should be facing each other. Line up the top edges and the side seams and pin them in place. Sew all the way around the top edge. Here comes the magic part. Remember that little gap we left in the lining. Gently pull the entire bin through that opening. It might look like a jumbled mess at first, but just keep pulling. Once it's all out, poke out the corners to get a crisp shape. Now, all that's left is to stitch up the gap in the lining, either by hand with an invisible stitch or with your machine. Push the lining down into the main fabric shell, give the top edge a quick press with your iron, and voila! You have a beautiful custom-made fabric storage bin. You can make these in any size or shape you want. Try adding handles made from webbing or leather for a more polished look. Experiment with different fabrics and patterns to match your room's style. It's a creative and practical way to get organized. I hope this inspires you to tackle your own clutter with a bit of creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy and fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!